Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious yogurt gelato. First, gather your essential ingredients. You will need about 2 cups of full-fat Greek yogurt, half a cup of granulated sugar, and 2 tablespoons of honey. Make sure your yogurt is well chilled, ideally straight from the refrigerator. This initial cold temperature is crucial for achieving that wonderfully smooth and creamy texture we all love in gelato. A 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract is also a great addition. Now let's create our gelato base. In a large bowl, combine your 2 cups of cold Greek yogurt, half a cup of sugar, and 2 tablespoons of honey. Whisk these ingredients together vigorously for about 3 to 5 minutes. It is very important to ensure that all the sugar crystals are completely dissolved, which contributes to a smoother final product. Once mixed, cover the bowl and chill the mixture in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours, or even overnight. With your base perfectly chilled, it is time for the churning process. Pour the cold yogurt mixture into the frozen bowl of your ice cream maker. Churn the mixture for approximately 20 to 30 minutes. The exact time will depend on your machine, but you are looking for a consistency similar to soft-serve ice cream. It should be thick, creamy, and have increased significantly in volume. Do not over-churn, as this can affect the texture. Once churned, your yogurt gelato will be soft. Carefully transfer it into an airtight container, pressing plastic wrap directly onto the surface to prevent ice crystals. Place the container in the freezer for at least 2 to 4 hours to allow it to firm up to a scoopable consistency. Before serving, let it sit at room temperature for about 5 to 10 minutes. This brief softening period ensures the perfect, creamy texture for enjoying your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.